Hey everyone, it's Ryan here with just another tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on iPhone. So this is actually a pretty constant problem that a lot of Instagram users have been having with their iPhone Instagram apps. So we're going to go through a few ways to kind of solve if your Instagram app is freezing when you use Instagram, trying to upload Reels, or if it's just failing entirely. So what we're going to do first is actually going to go to our App Store and we're going to search up Instagram, which it's already downloaded obviously, but you're going to click on Instagram and you're just going to make sure that there are no updates that you're missing. So if there are updates, there's actually going to be, you can go to version history. It will tell you the latest version here. And if you don't have the latest version, up at the top, it will say update. And so that's actually good because here it shows that we have 2.14.0, which means this is the latest version that we have uploaded and installed on our phone. So that's not the problem. So we're going to go back to our application. So I'm just going to go back to Instagram. And what we're going to want to do is actually uninstall and reinstall the app a few times to log in and log out. So actually the way we're going to do that is we're going to close out, go to our home screen, and just select the app and click remove app. Delete app. Great. Now we're going to go back to the App Store and search up Instagram once again. Great. Click on it and hit download. So that's going to download and should just take a moment to download. All right, we're going to open back up and log back in. All right, so here we are back in. And now, if that's still not working after you have uploaded or tried to upload a new reel, what you're going to want to do is actually just go to your account, hit those hamburger settings on the top right, and go to, let's see, actually what we're going to want to do is go to your hamburger settings, go to settings, scroll down, and at the very bottom it says log out of your account. And what you're going to want to do is just log out of that account and log back in a few times. All right, so that normally works. And say it doesn't actually work, what we're going to do is just another simple fix, which is you're going to close out of the app and you're just going to come back to it later. So continue with your life. It will be here in a few hours and then open it back up again. And sometimes that allows us the app to update, fix some bugs. Sometimes the app on Instagram is just down and it won't upload reels because the application itself is having trouble across the board. All right, say you do all that, none of that's working. You're going to want to go back to your account, click the upper right hand corner, the kind of the hamburger tab, and go to settings. What you're going to want to do now is actually clear your search history, and what that's going to do is help you actually refresh your app a little bit. So you're going to click on the third option down, which is privacy. I'm sorry, your fourth option down, which is security. And then all the way down and clear search history. And it's going to show recent searches. Then you're just going to hit clear all. Say hit clear all. And that's kind of done permanently. Now, a lot of times if you have a lot of search history, it will kind of slow your app down. So that should kind of refresh the app. And once again, if none of this is happening and you've tried all of these options and your reels still aren't uploading, you're going to want to report a problem to Instagram themselves and just wait for them to respond to you. And most of the time you won't need to do this because one of these options has worked, but if not, you're just going to go back up to settings. You're going to go through about or help, and then report a problem. Now it's going to try to get you to do this situation, but where you shake your phone, I would just skip that and go report problem without shaking. And then here, you're just going to briefly explain what happened. So you can say, my account won't allow me to upload reels and keeps freezing. If you happen to have a screenshot of that, you can upload a photo on the bottom left or a screenshot as well on the bottom right, so on and so forth. And then you'll just hit next and send report. And they will get back to you in, from a matter of hours to, a few days. And once again, you shouldn't need to be able to do that, but if you do, that is going to be the easy answer. So Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.